On February 2, 2020, a Beechcraft Keen Air 100, registration November 77 Papa Foxtrot, performing flight from Fulton County Airport to Thomaston-Upson County Airport, was VFR departure to the south and had been told to remain out of the Atlanta Class Bravo airspace. However, the pilot climbed to 3,500 feet and violated the Class Bravo airspace. This video shows the radar scope with different animations for those who are not familiar with the Atlanta airspace. As always, this audio is provided by Live ATC.
November 7 Papa Foxtrot, I have you flying outside of our airspace, sir. Frequency change approved. Take flight, remain outside of the Class Bravo. Roger, very much, sir. And yes, November 7 Papa Foxtrot, you can contact Atlanta 121.0. Okay, 121.0. Up 1423, line departure, radar contact. You see that traffic just in front of you, below you, about 500 feet?
Delta 1423 looking?
Yeah, you're already past him. Thank you, though.
Delta 837 heavy traffic 1 o'clock and 2 miles of southeastbound VFR target, 3,500 indicated.
Yeah, we got him on the fish finder. We got him visually now. We're going to stop our climb, Delta 837. Yeah, Delta 837, we're clear of that traffic now, continuing climb.
Delta 837 heavy, roger. And what type aircraft was it? Were you able to determine?
It's a twin Piper of some sort, or Beech 99, my other guy tells me.
Delta 837 heavy, roger, thank you. And you contact departure now, 125.7 today for departure.
125.7, take care, Delta 837. Hey, departure Delta 837, we have a 3.6 for 8.
Delta 837, line departure, good morning, radar contact.
77 Papa Foxtrot, possible pilot deviation of VASAviation, you can copy the number. 678-364. Number 7 Papa Foxtrot, I got two for you. The first one is Atlanta Tracon. That's who you violated first. It's 678-364. And let me know when you're ready to copy the next one. That's Atlanta Tower. 404-559. November 7 Papa Foxtrot, your readback is correct. November 7 Papa Foxtrot, advise when you have the Upson County weather. The airport's 12 o'clock and 12 miles. November 7 Papa Foxtrot, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.